आज आपण सिमिलॅरिटी मध्ये अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा काटकोन त्रिकोणातील समरूपता सिमिलॅरिटी इन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल हा थेरम बघूया आपण. स्टेटमेंट इन एनी राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल इफ वी ड्रॉ altitude to the hypotenuse we are getting two triangles. The two triangles are similar with the original and they are similar with each other. That is the statement. काटकोन त्रिकोणामध्ये कर्णावर टाकलेल्या शिरोलंबामुळे तयार होणारे दोन त्रिकोण मूळ त्रिकोणाशी आणि एकमेकाशी समरूप असतात हे आपल्याला सिद्ध करायचं आहे. तर त्याची जी डायग्राम आहे ती आपण कशी काढतो बघा. इन ट्रायंगल ABC consider angle ABC 90 degree and BD is altitude to the hypotenuse. कर्णावर हा शिरोलंब काढलेला आहे. आता तयार होणारे जे दोन ट्रायंगल्स आहेत टू राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल्स आर देयर. ट्रायंगल ADB is similar with ABC. That is the first part. What is the second part there? Second triangle BDC is again similar with original triangle ABC. And after that, triangle ADB and triangle BDC are similar with each other. हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. हे प्रूव्ह करण्यासाठी आपण कोणती टेस्ट वापरणार आहोत त्याचा जरा चांगला विचार करा. त्यासाठी remember that angle ABC is 90, then definitely angle A and angle C total must be 90. What is the property of right angle triangle? Sum of all angles is 180, and if this is 90, the remaining two angles are complementary angles. त्या उरलेल्या दोन कोणांची बेरीज सुद्धा 90 असणार आहे. Suppose this is x and this is y. So definitely x plus y must be equal to 90. Now in the triangle ADB, very interesting, this is altitude, so it is 90. And if this is x and if this is 90, the remaining must be y. Remember what is the technique there? This is 90, x and y. We know that x and y together they are 90. In the third triangle BDC, if this is 90 and if this is y, the remaining must be x. And you know that x plus y is 90. So try to understand the property of any right angle triangle, and sum of all angles is 180. So what is the first part? ADB and ABC. We are going to prove them. They are similar. So let us draw first part like this. Try to draw the diagram ADB for your understanding. ADB is right angle triangle. This is x and this is y. Then in original triangle ABC, this is 90, this is x. So remaining we know that it is y. So you can ask questions. Both triangles. What is that? Angle A is x, angle A is x. So definitely angle A and angle A are congruent, reason common. What about the angle ADB? ADB 90. In the second triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90, each 90. So they are congruent. So in two triangles using AA test, triangles are similar. By which test? AA test. This is the first part. Similarly, we can try to prove the second part. Draw the diagram BDC. BDC triangle and original triangle ABC. Now say that which are congruent angles. This is angle C and angle C. You can see that it is angle CY, It is common between two triangles. So angle C and angle C are common angles. So they are congruent. What about angle BDC? BDC is 90. Then angle ABC is 90. So each 90. So angles are congruent. By AA test, again, triangles are similar. So what is proved there? Two triangles formed are similar to original triangle. It is proved. And if you read that first statement, ADB is similar with triangle ABC. ADB हा triangle ABC बरोबर समरूप आहे, similar आहे. Triangle BDC हा triangle ABCशी समरूप आहे, similar आहे असं प्रूव्ह केलं. आणि जर बघितलं तुम्ही की triangle ABC आणि triangle ABC, you can see that triangle ABC and triangle ABC is there. So transitively, triangle ADB and triangle BDC must be similar. So from 1 and 2, what is that? Triangle ADB must be similar with triangle BDC. What is the reason? From 1 and 2. And last step, you can see that triangle ADB, triangle BDC and triangle ABC, they are similar with each other. All three right angle triangles are similar. काटकोन त्रिकोणामध्ये कर्णावर टाकलेल्या शिरोलंबामुळे तयार होणारे त्रिकोण मूळ त्रिकोणाशी समरूप आणि एकमेकाशी समरूप असतात. When we draw altitude to the hypotenuse, triangles formed are similar to the original and they are similar with each other. ही अत्यंत महत्त्वाची प्रॉपर्टी आहे. हा थेरम आपण चांगला करायचा आणि त्याचं नाव काय लक्षात ठेवायचं? सिमिलॅरिटी इन राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल.